Good evening. Day 2, October the 1st. Spooky season. So this is an interesting one today because I have made 2 mistakes. So the day started off by me going and collecting the BMW M4 customer, giving the car back to him. Got that out the way. I have the Tesla in the unit. That Tesla's in for a 2-stage correction and garage therapy coating. It's a bit of a different one, that one, because it's not just a normal ceramic coating that I'm going to be doing. There's some differences of that, but that's going to be on another vehicle. Jeez, I can't speak today. 3 mistakes. Another video. Yeah, since you've gone self-employed, I've lost the ability to speak. Anyway, 2 mistakes I made today. So first one, when I went and dropped the customer back with the M4, I go and do some work for a company in Worcester called Car Hub. I go over there and basically just prep some of their vehicles. Dan rang me, said, mate, can you come over and mop a couple of cars for us? Mop, machine operate. I hate that word, but go machine polish a couple of cars, not a problem. So I rush back. I go and stick my polishing pads in the car, my compound in the car, my micro polisher, drive all the way over there. Dan, what cars need doing, mate? We've got that B-Class and that one, the door on that one, so no problem. Right, so I go over to the Disastra. I'll call it a Disastra, not an Astra, because it's a bit of a disaster. This is cringe, you know. I don't know, people's like out here looking at me thinking, what is this weird guy doing? But anyway, I digress, because I'm waffling on. I absolutely hate doing these videos as well, just so you're aware. If you're thinking, oh, he seems really awkward. I am. I hope no one's watching. But anyway, so I drive all the way over there and I forget my machine polisher. So I get out of the car. I've not got it. I forgot my machine polisher. Embarrassing is an understatement. I know Dan. He's a very good friend of mine. But you know, I used a rotary they had over there, hence why I literally look like Bonnie Blue's face. And the second mistake, watch this. So I can clean cars, I'm very good at that, but I need to finish the flooring in the unit, as I mentioned. So I think, do you know what, I'll crack on with trying to do this. So I am absolutely shocking with DIY or anything regarding that. So these flooring tiles, look, Duramat. They're just, I've basically, cutting a long story short, I've cut probably about 5 or 6 different pieces. Fully racked them, just trying to get, I mean, look at that gap there. And that, so, and so if you want to know how many times it went wrong, saw that. Anything to do with carpentry, DIY, holler someone else, because I'm useless with that. So yeah, that's 2 things I've done today. So it's only a brief video, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull the Tesla out. I'm going to start prepping that. I literally can't talk today, so before I make a fool of myself some more, I'm going to crack on with this. And the next video, I'm going to be doing a bit of a breakdown of what I'm going to be doing different on this Tesla. Because not only that, the thing scares the hell out of me trying to drive it. I've got to move it out, and I can't tell when they're off. But anyway, another video, 2 mistakes today. Lesson learned. What have I taken away from it? Don't rush. Don't rush about, Jack. Calm things down. But anyway, I'll catch you in a little bit.